So we start off today's video with this gorgeous mini bob makeover. The stylist cuts the hair, then adds some color. Wow, gorgeous dimensional blonde. Oh, she looks absolutely flawless. Very nice transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone once again going from long to short. And it looks like she is also getting a mini bob style. Very cute. This does feature an undercut as well, and I think the color is very pretty. Accents the cut perfectly. And this does feature a very dramatic asymmetrical shape with it as well. Very cute hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with blonde, shoulder-length hair. The stylist chops off the hair. It looks like he's going to be doing a bob with this makeover. Very nice, classic bob haircuts. So the next transformation features someone who has gorgeous curly hair. The stylist does a gorgeous curly pixie haircut. She did go in and define her curls as well. Very cute hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with a shoulder length wavy hair as well, and she ended up switching things up with this mullet style. Very cute. So here we have our last hair transformation for today, and this one features another curly cut and hairstyle idea. So if you do have curly hair, there's quite a few options you can play around with this season. We're seeing tons of curly shaggy cuts, the pixie, as well as the bob. So let's see what the stylist ends up doing with her hair. Looks like she did more layers, kind of adding in some shape to her curls. And here you can really see, now that her hair has been washed, her natural texture. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Her hair looks so volumized, and the curls look nice and fresh and poppin'. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.